Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 2, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 3, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 4, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Great. Let's break things down. For the beginning of the dance, leader, you should be on the dance floor, and follower, you should be slightly away from your partner. For the first 4 counts, follower, you will simply walk towards your partner. So we go 1, 2, 3, 4. Once you get close to each other, simply get into a relaxed dance hold. And now, leader, you're going to start with your left foot. Follower, we're going to start with our right foot. We're going to do 2-step tap. So starting with the side, tap, side, tap. And the count is 5, 6, 7, 8. Now on the second set of 8, leader, you're going to bring your partner's right hand high. You're going to draw a circle clockwise so that your partner is turning to her right. And then we'll end switching hand into a side-by-side position like this. So notice, leader, you should be holding your partner's left hand. And your weight should be kind of in between your feet. Follower, your weight should be on your right foot. And now we're going to walk towards the front for 4 counts. So we go 5, 6, 7, 8. Good. Now on the third set of 8 here, leader, we're going to bring our partner into a cradle position. So once you get to the front, you're going to just separate slightly. So this is 1, 2. On 3, 4, leader, you're going to draw a circle counterclockwise towards you and wrap your partner around. So notice, follower, your arms should be crossed in front of you. Right arm is on top. And you should be slightly on your right side of your partner. So once we get to the cradle position, make sure, follower, you're also slightly in front of your partner. Okay, slightly in front on the right side. And now we're going to do the side taps. So leader and follower, we're going to start with our left foot. We go side, tap, side, tap. And that is 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, 7, 8. Good. And now we're going to do the lean. So leader, we're going to take a step out to the left. And make sure your left knee is bent, right leg is out to the side, keeping it straight. Okay? And then we're going to come up on 5, 6. Now let's talk a little bit more about the lean here. So leader, make sure we are staying upright, shoulders roll back, engage our core. Take a step out to the left. Now make sure your weight is still between your legs here. You do want to kind of stay connected to your partner's hips here by bringing your hips up slightly. Okay, so instead of bring it back down here, you want to slightly tilt up. And follower, same thing, make sure you are engaging your core, roll your shoulders back, having a good posture here. Make sure you stay connected. Before you get into the lean, you want to stay really close to your partner so that you get the support when you do the lean.